A massive overnight expansion usually constitutes a choppy New York AM session, but why is that the case? As I'm sure you guys already know, we ripped about 1,000 points overnight last night, and the first problem with this is how we are left with a lack of targets. As you can see, this massive overnight expansion takes a ton of our draws on liquidity, being this buy side, as well as this buy side liquidity right here. The reason why we trade New York AM session, and specifically kill zone of New York AM session, is because of our daily and session power of 3. Now within our daily PO3 cycle, we can either have an XAMD profile where Asia session continues or reverses, London session accumulates, New York AM session manipulates, and then New York PM session distributes, or we can have an AMDX profile where Asia session accumulates, London session manipulates, New York AM session distributes, and then New York PM session is going to continue or reverse. And that is, first of all, the reason why we trade New York AM session, to catch high time frame manipulation or distribution. And now the problem with this, with a massive overnight fundamental manipulation move, is that we are left with a lack of high time frame targets to manipulate or to distribute towards. Now with the core principles of why the market moves being to hunt liquidity, rebalance inefficiencies, as well as to rebalance the equilibrium, the last thing that we are left with when overnight has already done all of these is to generate liquidity, which is exactly why we anticipate New York AM session to generate liquidity and be choppy overall with a lack of delivery. Now wrapping this video up, when I was learning trading, I hated when people would tell me that something mattered, but they wouldn't be able to explain exactly why it mattered. I never was able to grasp the full understanding of a concept and why I should incorporate it without fully understanding it. So with that being said, I hope you guys now understand why this is the case with overnight moves.